I'm going to do a walkthrough explaining the things I've learned over the last 35 plus years of shaving and why I do it. This is hair. This is stubble. I'll be using this Parker Safety Razor 78R double edge with hair guides. This is about $26. I've had it 2 years, so at least $13 a year. I'll have this for another 10 or 15 years. This is a pack of 100 replacement blades that is about 15 bucks. I got this 2 years ago and it's still pretty full. Change out your blade every 3 to 5 shaves. This is my Badger brush. I got this about 5 years ago for about $35. So far that's about $7 a year. I'll be using this African tea tree shave soap puck from Death Grip. This is about $20. It's gonna last you months. For years, I used combinations like this trying to save money, but I typically would get more skin irritation and ingrown hairs. When I switched to wet shaving, that reduced it a lot and cost me a lot less money over time. Make sure that you read the description as I'll try to outline the steps that I've taken here and what I've learned. One thing is, get a hot shower first. That's going to loosen that stubble up. I like to add in a shave oil as a pre-treatment. This is under $20. A bottle like this is going to last you a good long while. So if you're using a shave brush, make sure that you soak it 60 seconds in warm water. That's going to allow the brush to pull the water in and helps with the lather. As mentioned, using a shave oil prior to shaving is a great pre-treatment that's going to help reduce skin irritation. Spray foam over here will have a propellant in it to get the cream out. This is the shave soap I'm going to be using, and you can see the ingredients. No propellant and all natural ingredients. So if you don't want to get a lather bowl like this, you can use the base as a lather bowl. I put the shave soap in the lid. Gonna add a little bit of water in here for the lathering process. Before we get started, shave however you're most comfortable. I'm sharing what works very well for me over my 35 plus years of shaving with everything under the sun. With any razor, use light pressure, small strokes, and try to tighten the skin where you can. This is going to flatten it out and help reduce the likelihood that you'll nick yourself. Light pressure is key. Facial hair grows in different directions. So for the closest shave, shave with, across, and against that stubble growth. Not sure if you have to shave the other directions? Rub your finger. If you feel stubble in that direction, to get a closer shave, shave against that direction. Adam's apple can be a little tricky. Go at it from an angle. For those of you with weak constitutions, I recommend you look away. Tighten the skin and tilt your head, light pressure. When shaving, we all get nicks. It happens. Whether you're going too fast, you use too much pressure, you have a skin imperfection, or you tilt the head the wrong way. This is an alum block. This is an antiseptic block. I've had this about 2 years and it costs about $12. Get it wet, rub it on your skin. It's going to soothe your skin and help heal any of those little nicks that you got. Now, wipe that all off. Part of post-shave care, you can use a shave oil and a shave balm. This is going to help soothe your skin and keep it from drying out. Drying can lead to more skin irritation. Those are the steps that I take, that I've learned over the last 35 plus years of shaving to reduce skin irritation and ingrown hairs. This razor's about $26. I've had it 2 years, so that's about $13 per year. I'll have this razor for another 10 to 15 years. I just take and replace the blades every 3 to 5 shaves. This is about $15. I've had this pack for about 2 years. It's going to save me money in the long run. If you have any questions, as always, throw them in the comments. I will try to get to them. I'm Bob, and of course this is Elliot Norris, my mustache, wishing you a wonderfully bearded day.